The business was started by my grandfather in 1925. Oddly, on the day my father was born, my grandfather had decided car insurance becoming compulsory in Massachusetts, that it would be a good field to get into rather than the little grocery store he had. My dad's group, the Greatest Generation, went off to World War II. And when they came back, my dad, his brother, and their brother-in-law joined the company and became the second generation. I came in after college in 1972. My brother followed shortly, and my sister followed shortly after that.
I really enjoy working with my brother and sister. We're all a good complement, I think. Maureen came up through the CSR functions in the office, and so she learned all of the day-to-day operational aspects of our business. So now she runs all of those. All I do is sell, all Ernie does is sell, and Maureen takes care of all of the hiring, the firing, the personnel issues, the administrative issues. And so we are very lucky to have this relationship that works so well.
When my dad brought the second generation in, my brothers, as salesmen, he thought it was important right from the start to diversify and make sure that they were comfortable in selling all lines of insurance, and had them selling life and disability as well as property and casualty and personal lines and commercial lines right from the start.
I think that we are successful because of our staff. Honest to God, we have a loyal, hardworking, intelligent, educated staff. And we don't have much turnover. And our staff gets intimately involved with the sales department on every account. And the staff has backup. In personal lines, they back up each other. In commercial lines, they back up each other. If I'm not here, they're going to talk to somebody that's going to give them an answer. Customer service is critical, and I don't think anybody does it any better than we do.
What I love about working at the Ross Insurance Agency, as you can tell by being here 29 years, it's a family-run business. They treat us all like family, and we are a family. We do work together, we play together, we celebrate together.
Part of who we are today is a result of the people we have working with us. The staff here has that same work ethic that my dad instilled in me.
I think it's a great business to be in. I love it. Every day I get up, I never have a problem coming to work. I never have a problem working late at night or on the weekends. And I never mind getting a phone call at home. And sometimes I'll get a phone call at home and my wife or my son or my daughter or somebody say, "Oh, Dad." I'll say, "Oh, no, come on." I mean, I got a phone call one time at 2 o'clock in the morning. A client called me, his building was burning. I said, "I'll be right over." I hung up the phone. My wife said, "Where are you going?" I said, "His building's burning." She says, "There's nothing you can do." I said, "He called me. I got to hold his hand." I put the phone down. I got dressed. I walked over. I sat with him. We watched his building burn. And I told him I'll get right on it first thing in the morning. He thanked me. We got on the phone with the insurance company the next morning. We got the claim going, and it was the best thing I ever did. So it's understanding your client. It's customer service.
We all know that if we don't have a product to offer our client, they're going to seek another agent to get it. So it's critically important for us to be able to offer everything our client is going to need throughout their lifetime in terms of insurance. And we do that. We offer them auto, home, life, long-term care. We can handle all their needs throughout their lifetime.
Well, the earliest memories I have are when I was 6 years old, and I used to go to work with my father in our South Hadley office, and he had an extra desk there, and that was always my desk. And from that moment on, I knew I was going to be in the insurance business. There was no question about it.